Immunity is the state of our body when we have enough strength to fight against unwanted biological agents that try to enter our body and disrupts our normal functioning. Antibodies does the job of fighting with these viruses and biological agents under our immune system. Pains of life are like the germs of vaccines. While vaccines are given to create immunity in the body against the germs, life gives us pain to create immunity in the heart against the bigger pains of the future. Types of immunity: inborn immunity and acquired immunity. Till the time we do not get a vaccine for COVID-19, we need to work on acquired immunity. India's traditional immunity boosters, kadha or decoction, and many Indian practices such as putting neem bark in an earthen pot with water and drinking that water for a few days in the month of Chaitra helps to boost up our immunity. All these are necessary. Okay, the factors that affect our immunity are sleep, rest, regular exercise, a healthy diet, exposure to toxic substances, exposure to illness, stress. Okay. Taking a healthy diet includes vitamins and minerals. What are vitamins? Vitamins are a group of substances needed in small amounts by the body to maintain health. And vitamin C. The sources of vitamin C have been shown on the screen. Citrus fruits like oranges, berries, kiwi fruit, vegetables, right? All these have vitamin C. The benefits of vitamin C are endless, but we need to focus on boost up of immunity. If we are facing the deficiency of vitamin C, we face a disease known as scurvy. Vitamin D. The benefits of vitamin D: mental boost, better sleep, bone health, prevent cancer, skin healing, and many more. So if we are having vitamin D deficiency, it is most prevalent in autoimmune diseases. Now vitamin E. Vitamin E is a vital nutrient for good health. The sources of vitamin E are wheat germ oil, sunflower, safflower, soya bean oil, all these. Okay. And now vitamin B6 is a vital nutrient which helps the biochemical reactions that take place in the immune system. The sources are chicken, cold water fish such as salmon and tuna, and green vegetables, chickpeas. Okay. Omega-3. Maintaining the balance of omega-3 in our body is very important, as it is essential for reducing inflammation. Walnuts, chia, hemp, flax seeds, canola oil, and fatty fish contains omega-3. Vitamins and minerals help in boosting up immunity. Zinc, copper, B vitamins, and iron are micronutrients that are critical for optimizing our immunity system. Probiotics and selenium also boost up our immunity system and help our body to fight against diseases. Not only this, but oils are also necessary for boosting up our immunity. Lavender, peppermint, tea tree, eucalyptus, lemon, rosemary, oregano, palmyra ossa, Neoli, and clove bud. All these kinds of oil also help us to boost up our immunity. The benefits of omega-3, you can see many benefits. Protect us from heart diseases, reduce the chance of abnormal heart rhythm. Okay. Now I'm presenting a data. 18 crore Indians may already have COVID immunity. Nearly 15% of our population have developed COVID-19 immunity. This is happening in the big cities such as Delhi and Mumbai. And this percentage is increasing day by day, which is a good thing. Cooking oil is a vital and basic ingredient in any Indian dish. We all eat food 3 times a day, and in which cooking oil it has been cooked is very important. Coconut oil, ghee, and sunflower oil, mustard oil, all these are very good for cooking. Okay, olive oil is rich in antioxidants, rice bran oil, all these oil. More than 70% of our immune system is housed in our gut. So maintaining a gut immunity is very important. The immune cells are present over there, and they are affected by junk diet, medication overuse, infections, and gut imbalances, toxic overload, inadequate digestive enzymes, stress, acid blocking medications, stress, chronic stress, all these affect our gut. And how can we just protect it? By remove the bad Bugs, drugs, and food allergens. Replace enzymes, fiber, prebiotic. Repair the gut lining with omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, glutathione, and other healing substance nutrients. Thank you.